Alright, so here's about a throttle replacement on a DS70 Can-Am Kids ATV. So the throttle replacement, pretty much, there's a little black box that goes right there. You can see it on this one. That black box is speed reducer. So even with the screws, the throttle limiter all the way out, removed, you cannot get full power out of this one because this reduces the throttle down to half to a quarter. So what you have to do is remove that cage around the carburetor. It's held on by 4 rivets. Remove that. Remove the stock Can-Am DS70 throttle cable, and you're replacing it with the DS90. You just reroute it back down into the carburetor, and you'll gain about 10 miles an hour out of it. It's pretty impressive, which is not bad for a DS70. The gearing on these are lower than a DS90, so you're still not going to get the same speed, but you could always do that by replacing the front and rear sprockets, and you could be getting close to the same as you would on a 90. Not quite, but there is a little difference, but you still get a lot more out of these. It's just that simple.